What if the UK case concerning Getty Images versus Stability AI had been decided in Brussels or in Milan instead of London? Let's find it out during the time of a coffee break. Chances are that the story would have turned out very differently. On November 4th, 2025, the UK High Court issued the country's first major ruling on copyright and generative AI. Getty accused Stability AI of using millions of its images to train Stable Diffusion without consent, and of producing outputs that resemble the originals, in some cases even showing the Getty Images watermark. But the court found no copyright infringement. According to the judge, the trained model doesn't store or reproduce the images used in training. The neural weights are altered, but they are not copies of the original works. In short, no infringement, not even from importing an infringing article. Getty won only, though, a partial victory on trademarks for a handful of cases where the Getty Images logo appeared in Stable Diffusion outputs. Yet, inside the European Union, the outcome might have been different. EU law allows text and data mining under the EU Copyright Directive, but this exception has strict boundaries. Right holders can opt out and forbid their works from being used for training as long as that exclusion is machine readable, for instance, in metadata or terms of use. At the same time, the AI Act adds new transparency duties. Developers must disclose the sources used to train generative AI models and prove that licenses and permissions were respected. And crucially, it makes providers responsible for the provenance of their data, even when it comes from third parties. Post-Brexit, that harmonized EU framework no longer applies in the UK. So while the London decision offers technical clarity, it leaves bigger questions unanswered. When does training AI crosses the line and turns into copyright infringement? A question that most likely Brussels, in the sense of EU authorities, but also courts across the European Union, will answer before UK authorities. If you want to deepen this very hot topic, just reach out to us. We will be happy to respond to your questions. For the time being, I wish you a very great day and see you at the next episode. Arrivederci.